Welcome back to Trend Hub. Before we dive in, remember to show your support by liking and subscribing to the channel. Now let's introduce Toyota's latest addition, the Crown Signia. This hybrid-powered crossover replaces the Venza, boasting 243 horsepower and standard all-wheel drive, along with luxurious interior features and towing capabilities, competing against the Honda Passport, Hyundai Santa Fe, and Nissan Murano. What's new for 2025? Positioned between the RAV4 and Highlander, it's expected to start at $45,000. The limited trim offers premium features like leather upholstery, panoramic sunroof, 21-inch wheels, heated rear seats, and an 11-speaker JBL stereo system. Equipped with a 2.5-liter engine and 3 electric motors, it delivers 243 horsepower through a continuously variable automatic transmission, similar to the Crown sedan setup. If you're enjoying this content, show your support by liking and subscribing to Trend Hub. Your support means the world to us. Technology and connectivity standard features include a 12.3-inch touchscreen, Wi-Fi, and over-the-air updates. The limited trim offers an upgraded 11-speaker JBL stereo system. Warranty and maintenance comes with maintenance coverage for 2 years or 25,000 miles, enhancing its value in the mid-size crossover segment. So, before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.